Want to make money online in 2025 without showing your face or learning to code? In this video, I'll show you 5 AI-powered digital products you can create and sell. No tech skills needed. These are perfect for students, side hustlers, or anyone who wants to earn passively using smart tools. Let's dive in. First, AI-generated eBooks. You can use ChatGPT to write short books on topics like self-help, business, or even parenting. Then, design a beautiful cover and layout in Canva. Finally, sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon Kindle. It's fast, cheap, and works while you sleep. Second, AI art prints. Midjourney, or DALLE, can create stunning digital artwork in seconds. Turn them into printable wall art or merch like mugs and t-shirts. List your designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. Art sells when it's bold, niche, or emotional. Third, AI-powered Notion templates. Use ChatGPT to help build planners for productivity, budgeting, or journaling. Package them into ready-to-use templates and upload them to Gumroad or Notion marketplaces. People love tools that save time and keep them organized. Fourth, AI resume or cover letter services. Use ChatGPT to generate custom job documents for clients. You can sell editable templates or offer personalized help on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own landing page. With job hunting on the rise, this is a hot niche. Fifth, AI voiceovers and audiobooks. Tools like Murf.ai or 11 Labs let you turn text into professional-sounding audio, record audiobooks, children's stories, or explainer content and sell on Audible or your website. Audio is a booming format. Get in early. Let's recap. eBooks, AI art Notion, templates, resume services, voiceovers. All powered by free or low-cost AI tools. Pick one and start simple. You can build a real income stream from home using just your laptop and creativity. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more AI and digital income ideas. And tell me in the comments, which one will you start with? This is NextGen Hustle, where smart people build smart income.